Welcome to our video on using yoga to alleviate the symptoms of arthritis. Arthritis is a common condition that causes inflammation in the joints, leading to pain and stiffness. Yoga is a low-impact form of exercise that can help reduce the symptoms of arthritis by increasing flexibility, strength, and balance. One of the key benefits of yoga for people with arthritis is that it can help to improve joint mobility. By gently stretching and moving the joints through a range of motions, yoga can help to reduce stiffness and increase flexibility. This can help to make everyday activities, such as walking and climbing stairs, easier and less painful. Yoga can also help to improve balance and stability. Many yoga poses require you to maintain a steady balance while in motion, which can help to improve your overall balance and stability. This is particularly important for people with arthritis, as poor balance can increase the risk of falls and injuries. In addition to physical benefits, yoga also offers mental and emotional benefits. Yoga focuses on breathing and meditation, which can help to reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Stress can exacerbate the symptoms of arthritis, so finding ways to manage stress is important for managing arthritis symptoms. Here are some yoga poses that can help to alleviate arthritis pain. Child's pose. This pose helps to stretch the hips, back, and shoulders. Downward facing dog. This pose helps to stretch the hands, wrists, and spine. Warrior 2. This pose strengthens the legs and arms, and stretches the hips and shoulders. Tree pose. This pose strengthens the legs, and helps to improve balance. Cobra pose. This pose helps to strengthen the back and increase flexibility in the spine. It's important to note that when doing yoga with arthritis, it's important to listen to your body and not push yourself too hard. If a pose causes pain, stop and try something else. It's also important to work with a qualified yoga instructor who is familiar with working with people who have arthritis. In conclusion, yoga is a great form of exercise for people with arthritis. By improving joint mobility, balance and stability, and reducing stress, yoga can help to alleviate the symptoms of arthritis and improve overall well-being. Remember to listen to your body and work with a qualified instructor. Thanks for watching.